Alright, imagine this. You're scrolling through job boards, and you keep seeing NetSuite Administrator, NetSuite Developer, NetSuite Consultant. The salaries are impressive, the demand is high, and you think, this could be it. This could be my ticket to a better career. But then, the inevitable question hits you. How do I even learn this thing? And more importantly, can I learn NetSuite for free? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's be honest, in a world where everything seems to come with a subscription fee, the idea of learning a powerful enterprise resource planning (ERP) system like NetSuite without spending a dime sounds almost too good to be true. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why NetSuite is such a hot commodity. It's not just another piece of software. NetSuite is a cloud-based business management suite used by companies of all sizes, from startups to global corporations. It handles everything from accounting and inventory management to CRM and e-commerce. It's a powerhouse, and that's why knowing NetSuite is like having a golden ticket in the business world. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but it's a complex system, right? How can I possibly learn it for free? Well, you're right. It's not a walk in the park. NetSuite is comprehensive, and mastering it takes time and dedication. But free resources do exist, and with the right approach, you can absolutely build a solid foundation. So, let's break down the different avenues you can explore for free NetSuite learning. 1. The power of NetSuite's help center and documentation. First and foremost, don't underestimate the power of NetSuite's official resources. Their help center is a treasure trove of information. You'll find detailed guides, tutorials, and explanations of every feature and function. Think of it as your free, official NetSuite encyclopedia. How to utilize it. Start by familiarizing yourself with the interface and navigation. Search for specific topics you want to learn about, and don't be afraid to dive deep into the documentation. NetSuite's documentation is regularly updated, so you'll always have access to the latest information. Benefits. It's the most accurate and up-to-date source of information directly from the creators of NetSuite. Limitations. It can be overwhelming for beginners, and it may lack practical, real-world examples. 2. YouTube and online video tutorials. YouTube is a goldmine for free educational content, and NetSuite is no exception. You can find countless tutorials created by experienced NetSuite users and consultants. How to utilize it. Search for keywords like NetSuite tutorial, NetSuite for beginners, or NetSuite specific module. Look for channels that offer clear, concise explanations and practical demonstrations. Benefits. Visual learning is incredibly effective, and you can see real-world examples of how NetSuite is used. It's also a great way to learn at your own pace. Limitations. The quality of tutorials can vary significantly. Some videos may be outdated or inaccurate. It's important to be selective and choose reputable sources. 3. NetSuite user groups and forums. Joining online communities and forums dedicated to NetSuite users can be a valuable way to learn from others. You can ask questions, share experiences, and get tips and tricks from experienced professionals. How to utilize it? Look for forums on platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, or dedicated NetSuite communities. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and offer your own insights. Benefits. You can learn from the experiences of others and get answers to your specific questions. It's also a great way to network and build connections in the NetSuite community. Limitations. The information shared in forums may not always be accurate or up-to-date. It's important to verify information from multiple sources. 4. NetSuite Suite Answers and Community Forums. NetSuite's own Suite Answers is a knowledge base that includes articles, best practices, and troubleshooting guides. Alongside this, their community forums are a great place to ask questions and get help. How to utilize it. When you encounter a specific problem or have a question, search Suite Answers for relevant articles. Participate in the community forums by asking questions and sharing your knowledge. Benefits. Direct access to NetSuite's knowledge base and a community of experts. Limitations. Accessing some of the deeper content within Suite Answers might require a NetSuite login, limiting some of its free access. 5. Leverage free trial accounts with limitations. While not a full-fledged learning environment, some NetSuite partners or even NetSuite themselves might offer limited free trial accounts for specific modules or functionalities. These trials can give you a hands-on experience with the system. How to utilize it? Keep an eye out for promotional offers or contact NetSuite partners to inquire about free trial options. Use the trial period to explore the interface and experiment with different features. Benefits: practical, hands-on experience with the NetSuite platform. Limitations: trial periods are usually limited, and you may not have access to all modules or features. 6. Learn related skills. Even if you don't have direct access to a full NetSuite environment, you can learn related skills that will be valuable when you do. For example, learning SQL, JavaScript, or general business accounting principles will give you a solid foundation for working with NetSuite. How to utilize it? Take advantage of free online courses and tutorials on platforms like Khan Academy, Codecademy, or FreeCodeCamp. Benefits: develop transferable skills that will make it easier to learn NetSuite. Limitations: it's not a direct NetSuite learning experience, but it provides a strong foundation. 7. Observe NetSuite demos and webinars. NetSuite and its partners frequently host demos and webinars showcasing different features and functionalities. These events can provide valuable insights into how the system works. How to utilize it? Sign up for NetSuite's email list or follow them on social media to stay informed about upcoming events. Attend demos and webinars to learn about specific modules and features. Benefits: learn from experts and see real-world examples of NetSuite in action. Limitations: demos and webinars may not provide in-depth training on all aspects of NetSuite. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.